How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can adjust XY compensation in Creality Slicer. So the first thing that you want to do is to just basically finish with your model. And from here, we simply want to head over to the side categories of our Creality Slicer. Now, on the sides panel, you have your quality, strength, and more. It's on the quality section. From here, scroll down, and under precision, we have the XY whole compensation, and same thing with the XY contour compensation. Basically, adjusting the XY compensation corrects dimensional inaccuracies by expanding or shrinking part outlines, often found on this options right here. So to adjust this, you want to use negative values such as negative 0.1 millimeter to shrink your outer dimensions or loosen fits, and positive values to simply expand them. Now, when you want to, once again, to simply loose your fits or to shrinking holes, you want to put negative values. That's how easy it is to adjust this. And if you want to expand that, you can just use something like 0.1. And then maybe for this one, we want to shrink it. So we are going to use negative 0.1. And then it will look something like this. And after making your changes, it will highlight it like this one. If you want to reset it to default, you can just click on the undo button, and from there you're good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.